Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we review the latest products and services to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of tax software with our review of TurboTax Deluxe 2022. Let's see if it's worth the investment. TurboTax Deluxe may be the most expensive tax software out there, but it's also the most comprehensive. With its extensive intake from financial institutions, excellent crypto handling, and a wide range of expert help options, TurboTax Deluxe stands out from the competition. Now in its 39th year, the TurboTax family continues to offer a smooth and user-friendly experience. The software's interface provides guided, detailed questions in plain English, minimizing the need for you to deal with complex tax forms. Plus, if you ever need assistance, TurboTax Live's expert help is well integrated into the software. TurboTax offers 3 types of online federal tax products: the basic do-it-yourself version, TurboTax Live assisted with live video chats and tax return reviews, and TurboTax Live Full Service, where you hand over your documents to a tax expert who handles everything for you. The pricing for TurboTax Live Assisted and Live Full Service has gone up compared to last year, but the benefits are still worth considering. TurboTax Live Full Service, in particular, offers a fully virtual service with a tax pro handling your taxes live on the call with you. For those who prefer to keep their tax data local, TurboTax also offers download-to-own versions of the software. These versions allow you to electronically file or print and mail your return. Just note that live services are not available with the downloaded versions. TurboTax has you covered if you're in the military or a small business owner. Active duty and reserve military users can file federal and state taxes for free, while small businesses can take advantage of TurboTax Live Full Service Business Tax, designed specifically for LLCs, S-Corp, and partnerships. TurboTax's pricing for state tax filing has also increased, with each standard do-it-yourself online product now costing $59 per state. However, TurboTax still provides a free state return with its TurboTax Free online version. TurboTax's extensive help options make it stand out from the competition. You can access technical help at any tier of the service and even share your screen with a support person. TurboTax Live Assisted and Live Full Service provide additional expert assistance, including live video and screen sharing. The onboarding process with TurboTax is user-friendly, and the service uses clear language to guide you through adding your tax data. The responsive design allows for easy navigation across mobile apps and desktop browsers. However, some users may find the text size and presentation could use improvement. Despite being the most expensive tax software, TurboTax's steps to simplify the tax process and its ongoing improvements in investment and crypto handling make it the top choice for many. If you're looking for comprehensive features and a smooth experience, TurboTax Deluxe is worth considering. That wraps up our review of TurboTax Deluxe 2022. We hope it helped you decide whether this tax software is the right fit for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and product recommendations. See you next time.